So you don't have practice or anything?
Nah, season ended yesterday. First time being free since middle school, you know? Feels weird.
Yeah. No, that's like the last time we hung out.
We hung out other times. We went to medieval times.
That was a field trip. I mean, don't worry about it. I'm not mad. People go a different way in high school. It's all right.
Remember when me and Louis got those cherry bombs from Indiana and blew up Miss Quinn's mailbox?
You know that lady was such a huge bitch? Do you know she cornered me at my mom's wake and asked me if I knew anything about that?
Word? Shit, that's bogus as hell.
All right, so my dad won't be home till 7, so just blow it through here and then out the window.
Okay, got it.
Okay. Fresh lungs.
Should I normally smoke blunts with the squad?
Sure.
Listen, Hope, I'm sorry I didn't make it to the funeral.
Don't worry about it. It's different when the person kills themselves. It's awkward as hell, and the people that do actually come, they look at you like you're the one that made her do it.
My bad, I thought it was like cancer or something.
No, that was my pervy Uncle Chuck. It's right after my dad started having those seizures and my sister tried to OD.
Wait, damn, all at the same time?
When it rains, it pours.
Damn.
Fuck Miss Quinn.
Yeah, fuck Miss Quinn.
You gonna hit that?
Nah.
Stop cutting myself if that's what you're thinking.
Nah, why'd you do it?
I don't know. I mean, it's a pretty shitty habit. It's like fucking ripping flesh, right?
And so you weren't trying to kill yourself or anything?
No, there's a different way to do that. It's like, it's weird because it hurts, but then you get this rush and that feels good. So. It's like a constant battle to stay happy. And these are my little war wounds. It's just good to feel something sometimes.
Listen, Hope, I feel you. I do. Look, sometimes shit just gets too hard to handle. Look, just be careful, though. You're too pretty to be doing that shit. I'm serious. No bullshit. Tell me you won't do it anymore. Hope. Hope, hold on. Are you sure? You don't have, any... Okay.